Today I'm in Reading, just off the M4 at Calcot, visiting IKEA. While leaving I saw new EV paint markings on the tarmac, so followed them to have a look. This is in Sainsbury's, just off the M4 at junction 12. I'd still call it Saver Centre, which is what it was in the early 80s. Here there are now some DC rapid chargers branded Smart Charge, which is Sainsbury's own charging network. There are 6 dual-headed Chempower chargers, so 12 charging bays in total, of which 11 are CCS2 and there's one single Chademo. The current price as of 11th of June 2025 is 72 pence per kilowatt hour. Of the 11 CCS2 chargers, 7 are up to 150 kilowatt and 4 are up to 300 kilowatt. This would be a great place to charge if you're driving down the M4. It's easily accessible from both sides of the M4 and has a Sainsbury's with toilets, a McDonalds, a Boots and a Sports Direct. It's a cheaper place to use for a break than the Moto Services just down the road. There's also IKEA just round the corner with charging too. I hope that helps. If you want to see other videos on the UK's EV charging infrastructure, see the link to the playlist in the video description below. Or here's some suggested videos above. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. There's a can of Fanta hog in this bay. Why do people do that?